first, shooters, I want the miniguns to go ahead and lock and load. Miniguns first only. Carefully lock and load. Fireline security, make sure everyone has their eyes and ears on. Shooters, if you've got things to bring up the line, you may do so now. I will give you instructions on when to lock and load. But go ahead, shooters on my left, go ahead and bring up what you're going to shoot to the firing line. Only the minigunners lock and load right now. Eyes and ears on. Folks, this is going to be great. Shooters on my right, shooters on my right. Go ahead and move your weapons up to the firing line.
We don't have them. You broke them.
Someone let me know when the miniguns are locked and loaded. All four. We have one. We have two. We have three. Everyone, eyes and ears on. Jerry Tarble, you'll be the fourth one. That's number one.
One of these guys costs
We'll go through three. We're going to have three miniguns. Okay. Eyes and ears on. Shooters on my left. Shooters on my left. Safely lock and load your weapons. Shooters on my right. Shooters on my right. Safely lock and load your weapons. Fireline security, just keep an eye on everything on this. Here's what's going to happen. When the lights go out, minigun 1, minigun 2, then minigun 3, conclusion of 3, the line will go. Okay. Fireline security on my left, show me a green board. Fireline security, show me a green board on the left. Fireline security on the right, show me a green board.
You probably hear some big...
Lights go out, it goes.